How to make money online with Google 2019, and I'm talking about $14 per hour doing something super simple. Anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. Hey, what's up guys? This is Art from artofmarketingblog.com, a place where I help you make money online. And in today's video, I will reveal a very cool website that is free to use, which pays $14 per hour. It doesn't really matter where in the world you are from, where you are located, and you can essentially just log into Google, check out the results that these guys will ask you for. I'm going to show you all of that in a second, and make $14 per hour doing something super simple. Anyone can do it. You don't really need any skills, you don't need any experience, you don't need a website, you don't need to do anything apart of just looking up Google results, okay? But before we're gonna jump into the content of this video, let me just remind you that each time I am recording one of these free training videos, I'm giving away $10. So if you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to the channel of mine, click on the bell notifications, and leave a comment with your PayPal email so I know where to send the money to, and I will reveal the winner of the previous contest in the end of this video. So please stick with me until the end of this video. And also, if you're looking for more resources about making money online and working from home, please check out the links in the description of this video. The top link will take you to my top resource when it comes to making money online and working from home. And I'm talking about hundreds of dollars per day that you can make with this. So this is my #1 top recommended resource. Please check it out. And right now, let's just jump into the content of this video. How to make money online with Google 2019. $14 per hour is what you are going to make. So let me just share my screen with you right now. The website that you will have to log into is called appen.com, appen.com. As you can see, this is a site where companies goes to when they want some data research with a human touch. So obviously data research can be done with software, with automated solutions, but in many cases these companies will actually look for a human to go and do the research for them. And by saying research, I mean something super simple as just looking up something on Google. So this is the site that companies go to. They pay per hour, and you will be able to join this site for free and make $14 per hour. So as you can see, you can click on Find Flexible Jobs button right here, the red button. This will take you to this page, and this will vary depending on where you are logging in from. So as you can see, I'm in Portugal right now. I'm seeing all the jobs for Portugal. So you can filter by job category, you can filter by job location, and you can also filter by keyword. But the jobs you will be looking for is social media evaluator and also web evaluator, which means that all you're going to have to do is go for the job description. I'm going to show you that in a second, and just do what these guys show you. And this is something super simple. I'm going to show you the two examples of social media evaluator and web evaluator, which are paying $14 per hour. Okay, so social media evaluator, as you can see, it says in Portugal, but this will obviously be different depending on the country that you are logging in from. So at Appen, we work with 8 out of the 10 top global technology companies in the world to improve and optimize their products for users worldwide, including social media platforms, search engines, voice recognition, and e-commerce. The world of tech is moving fast, and since our founding in '96, we rose to the challenge of becoming a publicly listed company by building an international team that works in 130 countries. So you might fit for this role if you are looking for a flexible work opportunity where you contribute projects and grow your skills. You're an active and engaged user on social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. You enjoy working independently, and you want to do internet-based work from home. So very cool so far. Work schedule: social media evaluator positions are part-time, up to 20 hours per week, and highly flexible, so you can do this work whenever you are free. The usual positions require 1 to 4 hours per day, 5 to 7 days per week. So you can do this on part-time basis, and obviously if you're going to have a couple of jobs from this site, you can do even 40 hours a week, which is a full-time job. Minimum qualifications: currently living and legally permitted to work. Here it says Portugal, but this will say your country. Access to a computer with sound card and speakers, and access to a smartphone that is less than 3 years old. Access to a secure high-speed internet, good English writing skills, ability to work with applications, troubleshoot software, and execute instructions independently. So this is for Social Media Evaluator. You essentially will go to sites like Facebook and Instagram, and you will show the results from your country. So obviously, depending on where you're logging in from, Facebook will show you different posts, different results, and all you're gonna have to do is show these results to the company. So you can apply right here. And when it comes to Google, for example, when it comes to the web evaluator, all you're gonna have to do is just log into Google. I just have this example right here, CrossFit shorts. So for example, if you're looking for CrossFit shorts, if you are typing this in United States and Canada and Australia and Spain and England, obviously all of these results will be very, very different. So all these these companies are looking for is your results. So they want to see how the Google page one looks for you from where you're logging into, and all you have to do is just go through it, see how it works, how it's sort of ranked, what's ranked number one, number two, if you're getting these search results first, if you're seeing any ads, and what are you seeing essentially on the first page of Google. And these companies will take this info and they will try to improve on their search engine optimization, etc. So these are the two jobs that I would recommend you check out: Social Media Evaluator and Web Evaluator. And as you can see, this is something super simple. All you gotta have to do is log into Google, check out the results you're getting, and report back to appen.com. And I just went to Glassdoor, which shows salaries for different companies all around the world. And as you can see, Appen, when it comes to Social Media Evaluator and Web Search Evaluator, they are paying $14 per hour. So normally they pay between 9 and 14 or 5 and 15, but Appen pays $14 per hour, which is pretty cool. If you're gonna work even 20 hours a week, you can make some good money on the side doing nothing else but just logging into Google, logging into Facebook, showing these guys your results. And this is something super simple. Anyone can do it. Even if you're a teenager or a college student, you can still do it. Even if you are 75 years old, you can still do it, because there's not much to it. It's not complicated at all. Okay, guys, so this is my training for you today. I hope you're gonna find this website. I'm gonna find a flexible job for you. You can make a ton of money with this. You won't become a millionaire this way, but obviously $14 an hour is a pretty good job, and you don't have to leave your home. You can do this working from home. Making money online is pretty cool in this way. You don't have to lose time going to work or going back from work. You don't pay for buses, or you don't pay for gas or anything like that. Okay, so this is my site for you to check out for today. Good luck with it. And right now, let's just check out who won the $10 giveaway from my last video. So let's just go to my last video. Okay, so this is my last video, Amazon Work From Home Jobs 2019, my top 5. You can check out this video. I'm gonna link to it. It's a very cool way to make money online from home as well. So I'm just gonna grab the URL. Let's go to YouTube random comment picker. Let's paste in the URL and filter out the duplicates. 21 comments. We will start a random raffle and pick a winner. Hey Chow, they left their PayPal email, so right now I'm just going to send the $10 prize to Hey. I'm pronouncing this right. Okay, so as you can see, I just sent $10 to the winner. Congratulations. If you want to win $10, please like this video, subscribe to this channel of mine, click on the bell notifications, and also leave a comment with your PayPal email, just like MH just did. And also please check out the links in the description of this video for top resources when it comes to making money online and working from home. And again, the top resource will take you to a page that I'm recommending, and with this resource you'll be able to make hundreds of dollars per day online. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section as well. Please subscribe to the channel of mine and also to my other channel for internet marketing product reviews. I'm gonna have a link in the description as well. Again, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and I will see you in the next free training video. Ciao.